In this video, I will show you how you can insert one picture into another. For that, just open the gallery app and select a photo. For example, I will select this picture. And after that, just tap on edit. Now in the edit section, just tap on the sticker icon and select stickers. Now from this list, just tap on the gallery app icon over here. Select create sticker. And from here, just select any other photo. For example, I will select this photo. And from here, just crop into the photo. Now you can either use the snap to shape tool and you can create a circle around the object and it will automatically detect the object and it will highlight it to create a sticker, or you can use select manually, and with this tool you can select the object manually just like that, or you can use a shape. You have the option of a circle, a square, a triangle, a heart shape, and a star. For now, I will use the snap to shape tool. I'll just create a circle around the object. Now after you select your object, then tap on next. As you can see, we have successfully created a sticker. After that, just tap on done. And from here, you can place the second photo on your first photo. Just like that. And once you're done editing your photo, then just tap on save. And as you can see, this is how you can insert one photo into another photo. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.